second week of the challenge started. I will go buy with pound USD, so I'll just go now buy with 0.05, and then I'm gonna explain why I choose this one. Let me just go to see how it's going to be this candle, but let's go from here. Okay, so here we have the last trades from the first week. We had minus $37, and now we are running with $63, and this is our like five setup that we took. So for the moment we took pound USD. We are rolling now with 0.05. Let me put the stop loss. So the stop loss I will just put it like around 30 points, and I'm curious if it's gonna be okay. I want it quite a little lower, but for the risk reward, I think I will not be able to do that. Okay, 60, quite too much. We'll go with 31, so $15.50. So if in case this pair is going to break to the downside, still I'm waiting for another buy from around that zone, just because we have this demand here, and quite a lot of struggle around this zone. So I'm gonna choose if it's going lower, I will just go with one more buy, and I'm hoping that it's going to make one more higher high here on 1 hour. So my target is gonna be around $31. So this one is going to be my target. Risk reward is gonna be 1 to 2, and yeah, let's see what is going to happen. And like I said, I will just put one more. I will just put another limit order. So I'm gonna take from here the buy limit order, so around 36390. Okay, so let's go with one more pending order. Let's go with the buy limit 0.05. The price is going to be around 390. Okay, the stop loss here is going to be 30 pips, so we're going to put or 0.91. All right, and this should be all right. Okay, so we have another entry from that zone, and here we are going to have the stop loss. Let me put it a little more down here. Okay, so we have and the second setup if in case it's going to be lower. Let's go on the MetaTrader, on the trading view. So on the trading view, let's go 1 hour. What we can see on 1 hour here, really interesting on the GBP USD, that we have here we have so many buyers, the price pushed to the downside, to upside. Here we have again buyers that took control and push the market to the upside. And now I'm expecting here, because we broke upside around this strong zone here of demand, and I'm expecting here retesting the 8 EMA plus the this zone that we have a strong demand zone. And from here I'm expecting only with the buys on the short term, until the 1 hour is going to create its own divergence here, the bearish divergence, and after that possible a deeper correction to come. But if we are going to have these three waves, the third wave to develop now, so the first wave we have here, the second wave, and now I'm expecting and the third wave to come and to be shorter than the other two waves, and the other one to come around like 61.8 Fibonacci golden retracement. And from there, if tomorrow the NFP and the job report is going to be like quite bad, but still, even if it's gonna be 50K, still is bad for USA. So if in case it's gonna be like that, possible to go even more higher, and then the second target is gonna be the last higher highs that formed on 4 hours and on the daily. Yep. So this is for the GBP USD for the moment.